Okay, ours is 4 positive classroom rules to achieve student success. So our first point was maintain your work ethic and always try your best. And we listed an example. We said frame it differently for different age groups, simple for the younger students, and more concise and clear for older students. Um, and then for our second point, we put listen and follow instructions. Acknowledge when students are following instructions with positive reinforcement. For example, we said, Morris, thank you for walking quietly to the library. And then our third point was respect the teacher and other students. Kind words and positive or respectful tone should be encouraged for everyone, including the teacher, to establish and model mutual respect for others. And then our last point was safety first. And we said avoid the words like don't, the phrase don't type of rules, and then also encourage something like instead maybe you could do this type of rule. And this will allow for more of a peaceful and calm resolution to any problem in the classroom. And that's it.